This is your wide grip bench with a 1 second pause on the chest. Purpose of this is it's going to make you super strong on your chest, which is the position that most people are weakest in. And when we progress from here, we're going to be able to lift any weight from the chest. Wide grip is index finger or roundabouts on the first inner line on the barbell. Unrack it, feet on the ground, pushing the carpet away so that you get tension through the legs all the way to the shoulder blades. We're going to shove your shoulder blades back and down into your back jeans pockets, roll them over. Keep the chest high, lower the bar down, and then we're going to get a 1 second pause in the chest. Probably a little bit longer. Yes. When the barbell's on your chest, you almost want to transition into pushing up without it moving. A lot of people, when it touches their chest, they rest it on there and their whole body sort of slouches down. That means you've lost tension, you've lost the weight, and it's going to be much harder to get back up. When you lower it on your chest, you almost transition into pushing it up. So it's almost as if it's hovering 1/2 mil off his chest, but it is actually touching his chest. So he'll show you a rep of where it's resting on his chest. We don't want that. You've let go of the weight, it's going to be much harder to get back. Yeah, no, it actually is touching your chest, but you're holding it there. And then push back.